Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm, and I'm here in one of the early spring houses. It's still May, and so a lot of the production is happening inside houses because up until like 2 weeks ago, it's snowing outside, and it's still pretty cold, but we just started planting out there, but nothing's coming out of there yet. But zucchini is something that I wait all winter for because, yeah, you get sick of it at the end of summer a little bit, right? But when you haven't had it for many, many months, it's just wonderful. And this is the first batch of it. And I love harvesting it at this size, right? Where you get a little zucchini and you get the flower, and that's wonderful. And a great way to prepare this is just maybe putting a little cheese inside, like some goat cheese or ricotta or something, and then putting in a simple batter, you know, maybe some flour and beer or flour and champagne or something, a little salt, pepper, put it in some olive oil. And I mean, it's so simple and seems fancy, but it's not fancy. It's just a simple dish. And when the zucchini is this small, it's just delicious. You know, it's just wonderful. You don't need to cook it too much. It's so tender. You know, I do them pretty far apart. I do them, you know, anywhere between 15 inches and 30 inches apart. Here I'm doing 15 because the soil is very, very fertile. And I've been working on the soil along these edges and adding extra calcium because I know that they need it. Otherwise, we're going to get that blossom end rot. And I start them in wind strip trays, 50s. 50 wind strip 50, and then plant them straight into the bed, right out of the wind strip tray. And I try not to let the plants get too wild. Once they start growing out into the path, that's it. Then they come out, we just plant a new batch. All right, so if you have any questions, throw them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.